Hello my friends and welcome to this video. Today I have to show you something very cool and very useful tool. Ryobi 18 volt eye corner. I don't know if I say right, but I think it's eye cannon. You can use with battery if you have Ryobi battery or electric. This one is 108 volt, but in my country 230 volt, so this will not be so useful for me. But I will use my battery and we will see how it works. Now we're going to open this and see what's inside and what you get if you buy this one. I find out this one in eBay, so if you want you can check the name on this. 18 volt air cannon, or air cannon. I don't know if I say right, but you know what I mean. And we will test this one if it's really, like they say, best on the market. So now we open and see what you get. It seems like I have to put together this one, so we do that. But very well packaged with this. Not will be not damage for us. Like I say, you will get this one with you for 110 volts, but this is not useful for me because I live in Europe and we have 230 volt here, so this one will not be useful for me. And I think this one they make only for US, so we will see. It seems to be very easy to put together this one. You need only 2 screws, which we'll put here and see. I think it's very easy. So let's test it this. That was not so difficult to put together. Needs only 2 screws here. So now is this in place, and I think you can use this in 360 degrees. So you can turn it like this or like this, how you want. And if you look at here, you have number 1, number 2, number 3 and 0. So, and here you put your battery, and here you put if you want to use electric, like this. Pretty cool actually. I wish it was 230 volt too, but it's okay for me. I have a lot of battery here, Ryobi battery, so we will use this one with only battery. Now we're going to test this. If you look at my old one, you can see the difference between these two. This one is, I have been using this one very long. It works, but it don't clean air here so good, but it's work. I think this one is going to be, this big one is going to be much better, because I have very little workshop and I need fresh air here. That's why I buy this one. But now we're going to test this one. I have here 3 different battery, 5 ampere battery, 9 ampere battery, and 2.5 ampere battery. We will test with 2.5. It's full charge and see. Now we're going to begin with number 1. We put number 2. And we test number 3. Wow. So we're going to test with 5 ampere battery and see how different it is. We put always number 1. I already like this one. Believe me, I already like this. And we test number 2 with 5 ampere battery. And I can really feel it's very good. So we test number 3. You hear? It's awesome. It's absolutely awesome. So we change to 9 ampere battery. And we begin with number 1. Not so much different between 9 ampere and 5 ampere battery. We test number 2. Number 2 I can see a little bit different. And we test number 3. Wow. Awesome. I think you can hear, but it's very quiet and very, very powerful. I think this one will be very useful for me in my workshop. I think you can use for another things, but for me it's will come in very useful here in my workshop, because I weld too much and I use my grinder too much and I need really fresh air here. So this one I highly recommend to you. And it seems very, very, very good quality. Here it's plastic, but here is metal. And you can, like I say, you can put 360 degree. I think this one will help you. Yeah. Now I have shown this for you. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and share with your friends. If you want to buy this one, you can check out in ebay.com. I think you will find this one. It was not so expensive. I pay for this around $140 without battery. But if you already have Ryobi battery, I highly recommend this one. It's seems to be very good tool. And do not miss next video. I'm working something very cool there, so do not miss this. I'm making something very useful. So it's coming soon. So see you then. Have a nice day. Bye.